Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. Borderless collection with very trendy copper jari work, beautiful sarees. Here we have a lime yellow color, a green and yellow mix. Fluorescent green and yellow is mixed to get a beautiful shade here. With copper jari work, big design buttas. Original copper is used here. Completely handcrafted, beautiful stuff with a very different color. Pallu. Pallu is a dual tone. Grey and blue is mixed to get a beautiful tone here with copper jari work, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent and very new combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful copper jari work. Alluring combination sarees here. Here we have a beautiful brown shade saree. Excellent one with rustic look. And we have a copper jari work. Beautiful design buttas. Buttas are of new kind. A floral, a bouquet kind one. With copper jari work. Finely, beautifully handcrafted stuff. You can see the finish. Beautiful one. With a very elegant yellow pallu. Almost fluorescent yellow color. With mild crimson tinge. And we have copper jari work in the pallu also with same color blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful, an alluring combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection. Very beautiful silver jari work, excellent sarees here. Bright combination, very beautiful pink saree, adorable pink here with small buttas, also done in silver jari, and we also have a big size buttas that is in bouquet concept, very beautifully floral one, completely handcrafted stuff with a very contrast pallu. Pallu is a royal blue here with very grand silver jari work in the pallu also, horizontal weaving design with plain blouse piece. Excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection with excellent copper jari finish work. Here we have a parrot green and light yellow mixed color saree, very elegant, radiant color with beautiful copper jari buttas. Buttas are a new launch that is done using copper jari, and we have original copper jari used here. A finely handcrafted saree too with a very different combination in the pallu. It is peach, light peach color with copper jari work, same color blouse piece. Combo is really different and exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection. So, copper zari work, very elegant collection. Here we have a turquoise green saree, pastel beautiful green it is, elegant color with peacock design buttas. Copper zari used for the butta weaving, original copper. It is trending now and completely handcrafted collection. You can see the effects visibly, premium quality one with very bright orange shade pallu. Pallu also have beautiful, very closely done peacock design one. Copper zari for the pallu designing as well. With pallu tassels already made, we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A borderless collection with copper zari work, trendy design sarees. Here we have an exclusive color, mild color, green. Very elegant one, green and mild blue tinge, very different color this, and you can see the copper jari work buttas. Buttas are very different with original copper jari used for it. It's a finely handcrafted saree. You can see the darkness, very beautiful one, and we have a very bright orange with red mixed color. Pallu also have beautiful copper jari work, different design with pallu tassels already made and plain pallu color blouse piece. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful copper jari work, beautiful sarees, borderless concept with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a peachy pink color, pastel shade, beautiful saree with chakra design buttas. Buttas are in original and trendy copper design, copper zari, finely handcrafted work, premium quality with a contrast blue pallu and blouse piece. The pallu color is very different blue. This not royal blue, this little different shade with same chakra design in the pallu also with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made and the combination is beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. Very beautiful, excellent and alluring combination collection here with copper jari, trendy copper work sarees, and here we have a bright pink color, almost a candy pink. It's very beautiful copper jari work buttas, excellent design, completely handcrafted, fine finish, premium quality soft silk with a very contrast lime yellow and green mixed color, almost a lemon yellow pallu with very beautiful copper jari work in the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Combination is really attractive, eye-catching with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection, copper zari work, a trending copper is used here as a zari. And here we have a very beautiful blue shade, blue lovers, excellent color, dark blue, a violetish dark blue color, very elegant color with copper zari finished buttas. Buttas are literally and very beautifully looking on the dark base color. Copper zari, original one used here. You see the very clear buttas on dark base, completely handcrafted stuff with a borderless concept. And we have light blue color borders, the Ananda blue with copper zari work to pallu. Pallu also have beautiful design with plain blouse piece. Fully blue concept saree, elegantly handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku. A borderless collection, very beautiful and trendy copper jari work sarees. Here we have almost a beautiful saree, brown with gold mix, very excellent color, very rare color too, with copper jari work buttas. Buttas are of new kind. Inside the box we have a beautiful floral pattern done using copper jari, original copper. Fine and beautifully crafted saree, completely handcrafted too, with a pink blouse and pallu. Pallu is also very elegant here with copper jari work, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, an exclusive combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection, very beautiful color combo. A pinkish lavender here, pink and lavender mixed color, very beautiful one with different design buttas in the saree. Very elegantly the buttas are weaved using copper jari, original copper. Finally handcrafted saree it is with a very contrast dark violet color, dark magenta into black mixed color. Pallu. The pallu also have beautiful butta design, very elegantly done using copper again, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is really beautiful, a rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection, very beautiful trendy copper jari work, excellent design sarees in an elegant color combo. Here we have a bright color combination, orange into pink, which give a beautiful dark reddish peach color, very beautiful one with copper jari work buttas, chakra design, original copper jari used here, finely handcrafted, beautiful color, and we have a very bright dark blue, royal blue color. Pallu also have beautiful jari work, copper jari with plain blouse piece. The combination is very attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, a very beautiful collection in the copper jari finish work, new design buttas, finely weaved on a excellent color, dual tone, bright mango yellow mixed with red to get an excellent gold tone, very beautiful one with the copper jari finish buttas. Buttas are done on original copper, genuine copper jari, and we have a finely handcrafted borderless concept saree with a very contrast turquoise green color. Pallu also have the butta design, very elegantly crafted with plain blouse piece. The combination is really new, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, a borderless collection with beautiful and trendy copper jari work buttas, very elegant color here, mango yellow mixed with red to get a beautiful color, almost a rustic orange color look it is coming. Very beautiful one with a copper jari finished buttas. Buttas are very trendy with original copper jari, and we have a beautiful weaving here, completely hand crafted work, and we have a very different green pallu. Pallu also have the same butta design incorporated using copper jari, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection with very beautiful copper jari finished work. A pastel shade saree, light lavender color with copper jari finish, beautiful design buttas. Original copper is used, completely handcrafted saree with a pastel peaches pink color, very excellent color combo, and we have same copper jari in the pallu also with pallu color, plain blouse piece. Excellent pastel shade with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful and trendy copper jari work sarees in elegant combination colors. Here we have a excellent brown, dark brown, maroonish shade brown color. Very beautiful one with chakra design buttas. Buttas are done using original copper jari. Finely finished handcrafted saree with a very elegant Ananda blue blouse, pallu. Pallu is also very bright color with copper jari work. Same design with a plain blouse piece. Excellent combo. Both are in dark shade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with copper jari work. Beautiful design sarees. An excellent combination here. Ever lovely yellow, turmeric yellow, bright shade with beautiful copper jari work buttas. Original copper used here. Finally, handcrafted saree, premium motion soft silk with a dark maroonish brown color. Pallu also have copper jari work. Very beautiful, rich pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. Combination is beautiful, traditional with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection with copper jari work, fine finished, beautiful sarees here. And here we have a beautiful color, a dual tone, mango yellow and red are mixed to get a beautiful honey tone here. You can see honey color, a goldish honey, very beautiful one with copper jari finish buttas. Buttas are done in genuine copper jari that is trending now. Borderless concept, kindly handcrafted, very beautiful stuff. And we have a royal blue color pallu. Pallu also have copper jari work. And we have plain blouse piece in same royal blue color. The combination is beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection with copper jari finish. An elegant combination here. A pretty saree. A brown, almost a rustic color saree here. You can see the rust look on the brown base. We have a beautiful copper jari finish buttas. Buttas are very trendy one. Copper jari used for weaving. Pure copper. Completely handcrafted saree. Black is given in the bar. You can see the finish. With a contrast pallu. Light green color pallu with copper jari. Ranasingaram concept work in the pallu. And we have a plain blouse piece. Elegant combination. Very, very rare with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Copper jari work, beautiful borderless sarees with a contrast and excellent color combinations here. Baby pink saree, darker shade baby pink, very beautiful one with copper jari finish, beautiful buttas. Buttas are in true, beautiful, genuine copper jari, and we have a borderless concept, completely handcrafted work. And we have very beautiful pallu here, a sandal, half white with beautiful copper jari work in the pallu also. And we have a beautiful and plain blouse piece. Blouse piece is also in pallu color in contrast one for the body. Excellent pastel shade saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with very beautiful copper jari work buttas. Excellent combination color. Pink, magenta pink mixed with black to get a beautiful violet, elegant color. Very rare and beautiful one with copper jari work buttas. Buttas are new design, new launch. You can see the copper, beautiful finish, completely handcrafted, fine finish, premium saree with a contrast royal blue color pallu. Pallu also have copper jari work, very grand one with plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with very beautiful copper jari work, excellent design in color sarees. See the combination, excellent pink, a peachy pink color, beautiful pastel shade with copper jari work, excellent design buttas. Buttas are done using original trendy copper jari, fine finish, smooth, beautiful handloom saree with a very contrast green, it's a turquoise green and pista green mixed color with copper jari work. The color design is also very beautiful with authentic silk mark. Plain blouse piece. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection with copper jari work, beautiful design sarees. Here we have a bright green, mehendi green color, very beautiful one with chakra design buttas. Copper jari used for the butta weaving, original copper, very finely handcrafted saree, very soft and beautiful soft silk finish. And we have a contrast dark violet color, almost a magenta pink and black mixed color. Pallu also have the same butta design, very elegantly done using copper jari with a plain blouse piece. The combination is really very beautiful and rare, an exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arbor, a borderless collection with copper jari work, beautiful design sarees, the new type butta here, a leaf pattern, very elegantly weaved on a green base, an olive green in darker shade, very elegant one with completely copper jari work, trendy design sarees, handcrafted stuff with a contrast peach color pallu. Pallu also have full copper jari work in the same butta design all over the pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece in the same pallu color. Combination is very different with authentic silk mark. Thank you.